Hello .netters, don't panic. Yes, we're opening Excel, I promise. There will be no NuGet restore failures, no mysterious binding redirects, and absolutely no one asking if this should be an abstract base class and an interface. For this quick start, we're using what might be the least enterprise Excel sheet ever created. Just 3 things. Emergency coffee price, tax, tip. That's it. No pivot tables, no VLOOKUP mazes, no this worked on my machine cells. We all need caffeine, even in managed code. This sheet tracks the price of our morning survival juice, £2.92. We add 20% tax and a tip, which depends entirely on the emotional stability of the barista. All of this rolls into cost, the total amount we're spending to remain operational. Let's look at the formula. We round to 2 decimals, add the tip, add the tax, add the base price. A perfectly simple expression. And yes, I know you could write this in C# as something like decimal cost equals price plus price times tax plus tip. Here's the exact same logic in C#. Readable, predictable, strongly typed. And unlike Excel, nothing suddenly breaks because someone copy-pasted a cell from another worksheet called Final V7 Real. But here's the real point. This formula is easy. Now imagine this isn't a tiny coffee example. Imagine a real-world business spreadsheet. 12 tabs, nested formulas, lookup chains, financial logic written by someone who left the company during the .NET framework era, and absolutely zero documentation. Now the problem becomes clear. C# developers write clean, structured, testable code, but the business still runs on Excel. And this is where Codcel becomes your new favorite tool. Codcel takes this sheet, even the cursed ones, and turns it into real C# code, a clean API, a UI, and even a calculation server. All we need to do is add a few tiny tags into the sheet. For the emergency coffee price, we tag it with first input, emergency coffee price. Add I*, then the cell it refers to, D2. So I*, D2 done, easy. Next, tip. For the tip, which defaults to 0, we use $ID D4 that tells Codcel, this is an input, the default value is whatever is in the cell. Tax stays constant, because the government, unlike floating point numbers, rarely surprises us mid-calculation. And the output, the cost, gets O D6 output at D6. We now have input, price, constant, tax, input with default, tip, output, total cost. And those tiny tags are all Codcel needs to convert this spreadsheet into real C-Act code. In the next part, we'll use Codcel to turn this Excel file into a C# calculation engine, all in minutes. So yes, you can keep writing C# and let Codcel handle the spreadsheets. To keep exploring Codcel, visit us anytime at codcel.io. See you in the next video.